remote KZN, as well as the eastern escarpment, as well as the low felt of both the Mpumalanga and Limpopo provinces as well. Now, in the very same area, we have a heavy rainfall weather watch, which is issued by the Weather Service, and that may lead to localized urban flooding. So please be aware of that in this area. So definitely something to watch out for today if you're in the area. It's also windy there, 40 to 50 kilometers per hour along the eastern coastline. Moving west, we'll start to see that towards that western interior of the country where we're seeing so much cloud cover and even rainfall over the last couple of days. Well, it's starting to clear up as a high pressure system ridges in behind that cold front. Now, let's take a look at a little bit more detail what this all means for your weather today. Temperatures are going to range through from about 26 to 30 degrees Celsius here in Gauteng, so temperatures rising from yesterday's rather mild to cool temperatures. Daytime highs in the Limpopo province also rising somewhat between about 25 and 30 degrees Celsius here. We're expecting showers and thunder showers, and remember that areas such as Tanin, Toyando, Halaboa and Burgersfort are within that weather watch area where we're expecting heavy rainfall, which may lead to localized urban flooding. The same weather watch issued over areas such as Lydenburg, Bombela, Skukuza, Carolina, Ermelo and Mkondo. Please be very, very aware of this. Take it seriously. That's coming in primarily this afternoon and this evening. Lots and lots of rainfall. Downpours expected in most of KwaZulu-Natal today. Very wet weather, widespread showers with those heavy rainfall weather watches in effect as well. It is going to be a rather mild day with temperatures only between 16 and 24 degrees. If you're here, well, expect to wrap up nice and warm there. It's going to be not only quite cool, but it's going to be windy in the area as well. The Eastern Cape expecting cooler conditions in some areas too. Temperatures generally through the higher teens and early 20s. We'll also expect that rainfall does extend through parts of the Eastern Cape. But by the time you reach the Western Cape, well, most of this rainfall has dissipated. We're still left with the residual cloud cover, and of course we'll have to just take a look in a few minutes. The weather system should update and we'll be left with just sunny skies for the Western Cape. So that's what it is. No rainfall for the Western Cape at all. No rainfall for the Northern Cape either. And here we're going to see temperatures rising again, 22 to 31 degree maximums moving into the central interior. Cooler day forecast as well as a lot of cloud cover comes into the area. We'll expect temperatures ranging through the mid-20s for the most part there. Finally, last but not least, the Northwest Province. Well, temperatures here remain warm, up in the higher 20s and early 30s. Of course, we'll expect partly cloudy skies for the area as well. As we take a look to tomorrow, well, this is what we're going to see. That high pressure system continues to keep that western part of the country clean. Warmer conditions start to come over the southern coastline there, and of course that cloud cover then begins to grow towards the central interior, resulting in that rainfall on the east, although not nearly as much rainfall for tomorrow in the east as we're expecting today.